I am Sudhanshu Shekhar Naik from Utkal University, Bani Bihar. I'm a research scholar, Department of Public Administrations. Uh, in the relation to trees and our friend, our environment, I want to share some things. Irrespective of caste, color, creed, sex, there is no one is debarred from to protect our natures, and this is the basic and moral responsibility of every organisms and every citizen and every persons to protect our environment. Everyone should take care of the trees, and trees is such a creations of God. We should give importance because trees is a when it grows silently, and when we destroy the trees, it makes a very great big noises, and you just imagine how it is differently impact in our society. On behalf of the research scholar, I extend my small and noble uh, message to all the citizen of the world, India, and not only the India, sorry, entire world. I extend my one words and messages that everyone should take care of the trees. If each one should reap one tree and protect your ecosystems, and it will vibrate our new life, good life, and strong, established life. Thank you.